Ready to make these cute little suckers? Yeah, well, I've got that coming up as well as a nice little hack for you. Hi guys, so by now you should know that I'm a full-on cookie monster. Like, there are always cookies in this house no matter what, especially baked home cookies. And I've recently got a lot of questions again about how is it that I always have cookies going, I'm always baking with the kids. How do I have time and energy for this? And I'm like, Mama, please, nobody has time for that, honestly. I have a hack that I've shared with everyone before. I'm going to share it again with our new Insta friends, is that I make a bunch of cookie dough at one time, and then I freeze them into small little discs and seal them in like some cling it up like this. Have smaller ones for the kids, etc. Then in you have like a bunch of cookie dough or different colors, different flavors, etc. So anytime you're ready to like just go for it, you just put out into room temperature and cut and put into the oven. So today's new hack I want to share with you is the cut and bake one. These are like my favorite ones. So either roll them up into different flavors, do a little thing, or throw them up into a special kind of shape, and boom, you put them into room temperature, slice them up, put them in the oven, and you have little super special cookies going. No. I'm actually going to use that little hack of mine with the slice and bake cookies to show you how I made those apple cookies that you all loved so much last week. It's actually much simpler than you think. Check it out. So you'll end up with a thin red sheet of the red, you'll end up with a triangular little tube of the green, and a stick tube of the regular color cookie dough. And now we get cracking.